y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. I didn't realize my camera was not recording me during this process. So I will be showing you guys the little Instagram video as footage. Showing you guys that I did cut this hair. I did a blunt cut on this hair. This wig is from SHEIN, y'all. This wig is a 13x4 silky straight hair. I love this wig, you guys. I'll say there is a little bit of shedding with this one, and then the front of the unit was kind of sparse. There was just not enough density in the front. That's my only con with this wig. It did not come bleached or plucked, so this is my own doing. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this SHEIN wig. I rate this one an 8 out of 10, girl. Like, this is really cute. The install was like successful. I did not record myself doing the install just because I was trying something new. Y'all know I don't like record myself when I'm trying new stuff because I'm like unsure if it's gonna be cute or not, but this wound up being super cute. So let me know if you guys want me to do a install tutorial. I will redo this video, but I did want to hop on here and share this one with you guys. This one is a find, okay? This one is 26 inches, y'all. It doesn't look at 26 inches. I will say the length is a little bit, you know, wonky, but the lace did it for me, and I got a lot of compliments on this hair. So check this one out, you guys. Link in the description box, and thanks for being patient with me while I'm having technical difficulties. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Your support does not go unnoticed.